laws of motion. In this topic, we see our first point is first Newton laws of motion. In this, we will see first law. It is also known as balance force. Balance force, and it is also based on inertia. And the statement is every body tends to remain in the state of rest or motion unless an external force acts on it. Then we will see the mathematical statement of it. F external is equal to 0, and then acceleration is equal to 0. This is the main conclusion of first law of motion. Then our next point is second law. It is also known as unbalanced force. Unbalanced force, and also based on motion, momentum, and impulse. Then we will see the mathematical statement of it is F, then momentum, P in this side, and mv. Then our third point is third law of motion. Third law, it is also known as normal reaction. Then the statement is for every action there is equal and opposite reaction. Then our next topic is free body diagram. Body diagram. The free body diagram is shown all the force apply on the body. In there are the two cases. First case, uh, here is R and here is theta. Then this is R cos theta, and this is R sin theta. And second one, here is theta, and G acts on this sides, and G cos theta acts on this side, and theta will act here, and G sin and theta. Then our next point is application of Newton laws of motion. In that we will see the first law, second law, and third law. We can see first law. In this we can find tension in spring. And second law, we can find acceleration when F external is not equal to 0 and A is equal to net F upon M. Then third, Then third law, we see in that gun shooting problem. Then our next point is system. Firstly, we see the example of it. Example, there is a two block M1 and M2, M1 and M2. Then M2 acts, then M2 acts uh, at M3, and force goes on this side, and then we together all of them as a system. And then the free body diagram is M1 plus M2 plus M3, and acceleration acts on this side and F goes on this side. Then our main conclusion is A is equal to F M1 plus M2 plus M3. Then our next point is pulley system. Pulley system. In figure, we can pulley system. Uh, Firstly, we draw the pulley here. Here is M1 and here is M2. And then we draw the free body diagram of M1. Here is M1, T goes upward and Mg goes downward. Then the free body diagram of M2, tension goes upward and Mg goes downward. Then we draw the pulley diagram. Here in both side, the tension goes downward side. And then our main conclusion is A is equal to G M1 minus M2 upon M1 plus M2. And then T is equal to 2G M1 M2 upon M1 plus M2. And then the next point is pulley trick. We can see the diagram of it. V1 goes here and V2 goes here, and here is Vc. Then our main conclusion, Vc is equal to V1 plus V2 upon 2. All the velocity will be in same direction. Then this pulley trick will apply. And then our next point is contraction motion part 1. We can see the statement for a moving pulley if pulley moves, then it go x. And second, if string release, it go to x. Then our next point is normal reaction. Always acts perpendicularly to contact force. Then our next point is mass and weight. There are the three states. First state, here is equal to 0 and mg goes downward side, and the main conclusion is n is equal to mg. And in second case, here is the same man standing on this side and mg goes downward and acceleration goes upward side, and the main conclusion is n is equal to m g plus a. And in third case, man standing here, mg goes downward and acceleration goes downward. Then n is equal to m g minus a. Then our next point is string and spring. String and spring. Firstly, we see the string. First, string. Only pulley, force, and transmits force act on it. And then we see the spring. Pulling and pushing force, pulley and pushing force, pulling and pushing force uh, store and transmits force. The main conclusion of the spring force is Fs is equal to K delta X, then delta X is equal to mg upon minus K. And then we see the combination of spring. A. Firstly, we see parallel. Kf is equal to K1 plus K2, etc. And B, series. Series is equal to 1 upon Kf is equal to 1 upon K1 plus 1 upon K2. The next point is frame of reference. Frame of reference. In this, we will see inertia and non-inertia. In inertia, the observer is in non-accelerated, and then we will see non-inertia. The observer is in accelerated. Then we will see the next point of this chapter, pseudo force. In this we will see first non-inertia frame plus pseudo force is equal to inertial frame. And second acceleration frame plus pseudo force non accelerated frame. And this is the third one. Main point of pseudo force is pseudo force is equal to mass of body plus acceleration of frame. Then we will see the last topic. Contract motion part 2. There are the three cases of it. First case is if the string is pulled with velocity v, then vb is we can draw the free body diagram of it. Here is big block, and here is pulley. Which goes on upward, and here which goes on this sides. Then vb is v. Then our second case is second. If the bigger block is move, if the big block is move with velocity v, then vb, we can find vb. Here is the diagram of it. Here is big block, here is pulley attached on these sides, and v goes on this side. Then vb is equal to root 2 v. In third case, the third case of the chapter is if both moves with velocity v, then vb is equal to, here is the diagram of it. Here is a pulley which goes on this sides, so on these sides. Then our vb is equal to root 5 v. Sir, over. And here is selfie stick. I joined the book, and here is the book, and I joined. मैंने ऐसे किया है, सेल्फी स्टिक को है ना इधर ऐसे रख के ना सेट किया था सर वो.